Hey guys, well, it's Saturday, and what am I doing? Am I out at the clubs? Am I partying? No, I'm on the boat. I've got all the tools here. The microwave didn't fit in that little cubby hole. It does now. And working on the head. Yep, digging holes and stuff for ventilation fans. This eventually will evacuate the air from the composter, and you know, the kitchen is a mess, but the AC is running, and it's nice and chilly in here. It's in the springtime only, but it's nice to see that me and the dogs are relaxing in nice, cool weather. So that's it for now. I'll keep you guys updated with little things like this if you're interested. If you see this and you're like, meh, I don't really care, then that's fine too. But if this is the kind of thing that you want to see as far as my exciting life living aboard a boat, then let me know, and I'll keep it coming. Till then, hopefully I'll get some fishing in amidst all this craziness that is my life. And I'll post up that stuff too. Catch you later.